Derive the formula method. The formula method says that x equals to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. And so in this video, I'm going to teach you how to derive the formula method. Please, if you have not clicked the subscribe button, please do that now so that you don't miss any part of my teaching. Alright, so to derive the formula method, we will be using the general quadratic equation form, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. And so the first thing to do is, this is identifying this is a quadratic term, this is a linear term, and this is a constant term. So we move the constant term to the right hand side. Now, the derivation of the formula method is with the use of the completing the square method. And so if you haven't gone through my teaching on completing the square method, please check out my videos on solution of quadratic equation using the completing the square method. Again, the derivation of the formula method, which is called the quadratic formula, is with the idea of the completing the square method. And so step 1, we take the constant term to the other side of the equation. So this becomes ax squared plus bx equals to minus c. The next thing is, ensure that the coefficient of the quadratic term is plus 1. This is the quadratic term, that is ax squared. The coefficient of x squared is a. We need to make this 1. To make this 1, we divide through by the coefficient of x squared. So we are dividing through, we say divide through by a. And so this is ax squared over a plus bx over a equals to minus c over a. When we divide this, a cancel out a, we have x squared plus bx over a equals to minus c over a. At this point, we then add something. What do we do to make this expression on the left hand side a perfect square? We add the square of half the coefficient of the linear term. So we are adding the square of half of the coefficient of the linear term. The linear term here is plus bx over a. Plus bx over a is the linear term, and the coefficient of x here, the linear term is plus bx over a. The coefficient of x is plus b over a. And so to make this expression on the left hand side a perfect square, we are adding the square of half of the coefficient of the linear term. The square of half, the square of half of the coefficient of the linear term. And so the linear term here, the coefficient of the linear term is plus b over a. The coefficient of x is plus b over a. So we will need to add the square of that. So let's do that here. We have this as plus b over a divided by 2 all square. Half means you are dividing by 2. And so let's simplify this in the bracket. This will be plus b over a times 1 over 2 all square. And finally, this is b over 2a plus b over 2a all square. When this is simplified, we have plus b over 2a all square. So this is what we are adding. This is what we are adding to this equation to make it a perfect square. We're going to add it to both sides of the equation. So we add plus b over 2a. So this is x squared. We have plus bx over a plus what you're adding, plus b over 2a squared equals to minus c over a plus, you're adding into both sides to balance this other side. We have b over 2a all square. So this is what you're adding to the equation to make it a perfect square. So on the left hand side, we factorize the left hand side. To do that, you open a bracket, square it, pick the base here x, pick the base here, plus b over 2a equals to, we are simplifying the right hand side. We have minus c over a plus, open up this bracket, b squared, that's b squared, 2 raised power 2, that is 4, a raised power 2, that is a squared. And so we continue to simplify what we have. This is x plus b over 2a all square equals to, I like writing positive term first, so I want to write this first as b square over 4a square. It's easy to work with, minus c over a. And so we can find the LCM of this. The LCM of 4a square and a is 4a square. 4a square divided by 4a square, we have 1. 1 times b square, that's b square, minus 4a square divided by a, that is 4a. 4a times c, 4ac. Alright, so what we have here is, we have x plus b over 2a all square equals to b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. At this point, we then take out this square on this side. Take out this square on this side. We find the square root of the other side. So this becomes x plus b over 2a equals to plus or minus the square root of the entire expression on the right hand side. b squared minus 4ac divided by 4a squared. So x, we're solving for this. This is plus b over 2a. When you take it to the right hand side, it becomes minus b over 2a. Don't forget we are solving for x. We want to get what the value of x is. And so we are taking this to the right hand side. We have plus or minus. Now look at this. This is the square root of b squared minus 4ac. This expression here is a single term. And so b squared minus 4ac is not a perfect square. We can't find the square root of b squared minus 4ac. So we write it back as b squared minus 4ac. But when you look at the denominator, you have 4a squared. 4 is a perfect square. A square is a perfect square. The square root of 4 is 2. The square root of a square is a. And so the square root of 4a square is 2a. Alright, finally, so we can say that the value of x is equals to, look at this. The denominator is 2a. The denominator is 2a. The LCM is 2a. 2a divided by 2a, that is 1. 1 times minus b, plus or minus 2a divided by 2a, 1. 1 times all of this expression, we have the square root of b squared minus 4ac. And finally, you've derived the quadratic formula that says x equals to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. And so with this, you can use this to solve all types of quadratic equation. I hope this is very, very useful for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.